It's dead because of no feeding and neglecting. And this would be the next one.
But they said they horse kicked it.
No, it's not true. As long as we have people like this, as long the world will never find peace. Never. The next step are the humans. People against people.